In our fast-paced world, we often encounter trials and tribulations that test our mental and emotional strength. But remember, as it says in Psalm 46:1, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. One way we can extend God's love and support to others is through psychological first aid, or PFA. PFA is developed by the World Health Organization. It is a way to reduce distress and help people recover after a crisis. It's not professional counseling but a way to provide a compassionate and supportive response to a fellow human being who is suffering and may need support. As PFA responders, we reflect Jesus' command to love your neighbor as yourself. PFA is based on 3 key principles: look, listen, and link. We look for people who may need assistance. We listen to their stories and concerns, and link them to the information, services, and social support they might need. There are numerous resources available for those interested in learning more about PFA. By equipping ourselves with these skills, we can be better prepared to be God's hands and feet when crisis strikes. Psychological first aid is a crucial tool in managing the aftermath of a crisis. Remember, as it says in 1 Peter 5:7, cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. In times of crisis, PFA can truly be a lifeline, helping us extend God's care to those in need. Let's continue to love and support one another, just as Christ loves and supports us. Dr. Yo, mental health counselor, specializing in trauma healing, has been involved in crisis work and will be conducting a workshop on psychological first aid and self-care on June 24, 2023 at Life Methodist Church, Busan. Sign up at the link below to register. For more information about future training and workshops, do leave us your name and contact details. Click the link below. Lastly, remember to subscribe to this channel to get updates of our future videos.